Hello, my name is Annemijn and this is my brother Floris. Together we are forming the Rolos. We are very delighted to play in such a wonderful historical environment. And it's extra special for us because it's the first time we play outside the Netherlands. So yes, that's where we're from. What can you expect from us? We play a mix of classical, Latin and jazz music. In the Netherlands we study both equally jazz and classical music. Maybe it's not the easy way to study both, but we think if we go deep in both approaches, there will evolve a musical understanding and synergy that makes us capable of creating and performing new music and doing what we like to do.
Beautiful.
The composition we're gonna play for you is one of my own compositions. It's called Pepper, and I wrote it as an assignment of my jazz violin teacher, Julia Philippens. When I finished it, I sent it to a Dutch composer contest where Floris and I made it through the finals and even performed it with a professional orchestra in a great concert hall. My composition was based on a Cuban clave pattern, so a lot of percussion was in it. Even a lovely solo part for the percussion. You can imagine it's quite a job to bring it down for a duo, but I think we managed it. Floris even plays the percussion solo on the piano. Have fun with Pepper.
Okay.